Welcome to this full body vinyasa flow. Find a comfortable seat, close your eyes. Breathe in and breathe out. Let the body soften. Circle the neck, slow and soft. Switch directions. Do a couple of circles with the shoulders. Inhale, lengthen, and exhale, twist. Right hand to left knee, left hand behind you. Back to center, switch sides. Put the soles of the feet together, butterfly pose. Extend the legs to the sides. Reach toward the right foot. Come back to center, lean toward the left foot. Come to all fours, arms forward for child's pose. Come to all fours, inhale, open the chest, exhale, round the spine. Move with your breath. Tuck the toes, lift the hips, and go to downward facing dog. Shift weight forward, open to wild thing. Transition to fallen star, right leg extended, right hand down. And step right foot forward for warrior one. Open to warrior two. Reverse warrior. Side ankle, elbow to knee. And shift forward for warrior three. Step back, half squat, hands at heart. Turn to the front, fall forward for pyramid pose. Step back, right leg lifts, three-legged dog, fall through, upward dog, and downward dog. Wild thing. Fallen star. Step forward, warrior 1. Warrior 2. Reverse warrior. And side ankle. Shift to warrior 3. Step back, half squat. Turn to the front. Fold over the left leg for pyramid. Lift the left leg, three-legged dog, flow through upward dog and downward dog. Lower to all fours, melt the heart, arms forward. Lower to all fours, right arm forward, left leg back, elbow to knee. Right foot steps to the side, lean toward it. Then lean to the other way, right hand to the ground. Lift the right arm, thread it under. Come to all fours and repeat elbow to knee. Left foot to the side. Lean to the left. Then right, left hand down. Lift the left arm up, thread it under. And downward dog. Step right foot forward, high lunge. Feet wide parallel. Fall forward, head between the legs, hold the toes. Step right foot forward, high lunge. Step back, three-legged dog. Flow through upward dog and downward dog. Step right foot forward, pigeon pose. Come to seated, right knee bent, twist, Matsyendrasana. Extend the left leg and half lotus. Reach arms up and exhale, fall forward. Downward dog, left foot forward. Pigeon. Come to seated, twist, left knee bend. Switch sides, extend the right leg, half lotus with the left leg, breathe in and exhale, fall forward. Lie back, hug the right knee and twist to the left. Then hug the left knee and twist to the other side. Hug both knees and rock side to side. Let go for Shavasana, arms by your side, palms open, breathe and rest. Allow your whole body to soften. Let the ground fully hold you. There's nothing left to do, nowhere to go, just be. Notice your breath and flowing in and out. Feel the weight of your body sinking, the back of the head, the shoulders, the arms, the hips, the legs, heavy and relaxed. Bring awareness to your face, unclench the jaw, soften the space between your eyebrows, relax the tongue. Let each exhale be a quiet release. Let each inhale fill you with calm. Feel the spaciousness within you, the quiet between thoughts. Stay here, present, at peace, held. When you're ready, slowly begin to deepen your breath. Gently move your fingers and toes. And slowly come up to seated. Hands at heart, eyes soft. Thank yourself for this practice. Namaste.